most of the writers, they use sigma for bending moment, and some authors, they use sigma b for bending stress, and here F is your bending stress. So anything can be given in the question. Actually, you can see the trick here. May I face you extra round? If you are not using face here, then you can use here sigma and you can write may I show you extra round. So sigma means show. So anything you can make a trick. So may I show you extra round or may I face you extra round? So you can use sigma there for that purpose. Now see, mostly we have to deal with this much portion of the question. In HL exam, may I show you, this much is your detailed explanation. I will explain how to discuss about moment of inertia. So in that purpose, they will give you cross section of the beam. Suppose this is the 3D beam. Suppose this is the depth of the beam. This is the length of the beam. So this is the depth and this is the width of the beam. Okay. Now imagine you are bending your beam like this. So in that case, we have 3 axes for the beam, because right now I have drawn beam in 3D. So mostly, suppose this is your center of the beam. So along the length, mostly we consider Z axis. And imagine we are considering this as our X axis, and imagine this one we are considering our Y axis. So you can see depth of the beam is falling on Y axis, width of the beam is parallel to X axis, and length of the beam is along Z axis. Now we'll understand, if they are applying bending moment like this, then what will be the symbol for bending moment, My or Mx? If they are applying bending moment beam like this, then symbol will be Mx or My. I will clear this now. And when you are taking Mx or My, when you are comfortable to understand this is Mx or My, in that case, this I will be Ixx or Iyy. So this part is tricky part. And maybe for confusion purpose, they will give you all the 3, Ixx, Iyy, Izz. So in that case, you have to choose smartly. Before that, you should understand how to decide Mx is applied or My is applied. Based on that, we have to decide this I is going to be Ixx or Iyy. So first we understand what is I physically. Then I will explain remaining things.